Hey guys, Tennessee Yankee. Hey, down here in the woods today, I'm gonna use the Kubota. I'm trying to pull down a really old dead tree here. I don't know if it's gonna work, but it's too dangerous to try to even saw, in my opinion. So I'm gonna hook a strap around to the base of it, see if we can get it to come down. I have no idea how dead it is, but we'll get after it and give it a try. So this is the tree right here. It's completely rotted and dead. So it's kind of just goes up to there. Right about there is where it stops, but the whole thing's dead. It's leaning over one of my trails. And I'm just apprehensive. I wouldn't even want to take a chainsaw up here right now and start cutting at that because I don't know if things are going to buckle and break. And I wouldn't feel comfortable pushing on that with my tractor because then it would probably bust up here and come down on me. So what I'm going to attempt to do is put a strap around the bottom here just to pull on it a little bit and assess how dead the bottom really is. Maybe a strap on there, and then me parked way off in the distance will be able to pull it down. If not, I'd probably have to get some kind of rope up there and pull towards the direction of the lean, but I don't think I have that ability at the moment. So we're going to start down here, strap it up, safely get away from it, and see if we can pull it down. Okay, so I'm going to attempt to start using this purple strap. I'm just going to put it around up here, I guess, possibly about right here. I don't have a clue how dead this is, so don't know if this is going to work. Part of the problem too is right now I'm going to be pulling uphill, which is probably going to pose quite a challenge for the tractor. But we'll see if it does anything. This is probably a safe enough angle that I can work from right here. I was thinking about maybe grabbing my cable strap, but I think this will be fine because there's got all that weight on it that's headed down that way. So I'm going to hook up to right here, see what happens. So you can kind of see the tree moving back and forth there. There's a possibility if this goes, it could have pulled it towards me, it felt like. So I'm going to hook this 50-foot cable on, get even further away from it, keep going a little bit more, see if we make any difference. But this is going to be a tough one. I'm going to hook this to the tree so I can have my clasp end on the other side. Praise the Lord. What do you know? And safety first. It did come this way. So that ended up working. It was dead enough. Look at this. Pulled it right out of the ground. That would have just could have been a nightmare if we would have sawed that, in my opinion. So, you know, it wasn't safe enough where we were at originally, so that cable was definitely a must. But man, I'm excited about that. Okay, so again, this strap worked. You saw how far away I am, the extension. Obviously, this is not advice that I'm telling you to follow. Everything you do is at your own risk, but I wanted to show you what I was going to try, and we were successful with it today. So I'll clean up my strap mess here. I'm going to grab the grapple and we'll pick this thing up and move it. It's kind of long. I don't know if I can get it to my pile as is, but it's so rotted I might be able to pull it between these two trees and bust it in half too. So this cable was a must. This is just a cable I got at Harbor Freight, I think, and I just, you know, I think it came with a factory end, and then I just put some D-rings on here to make this end, but this is absolutely critical today to be able to get far enough away from what you're working on. Could I have just hooked a strap up to that and drug it out? Yeah, that would probably have been easier, but would it have been as much fun? I don't think so. It's kind of fun trying to maneuver in and out of those trees. I did get to one point down there where it was very sketchy with a hole, so I dropped it and came around the other side. But I hope this was a little bit entertaining to you. It was fun hauling down that dead tree, and of course, use your own risk and be safe. Have a good one.
Hey guys, Tennessee Yankee. Thanks for watching. If you found this content helpful, go ahead and hit that subscribe button on your right. I have other content linked for you on the left side. Otherwise, we'll see you next time. Thanks again for watching.